Hello there, want to turn your Wix website into a lead generating machine? Let's talk about how to make a killer lead magnet that actually gets results. First up, know your audience. You cannot create something valuable if you don't know who you are talking to. Let's say you are a fitness coach. Instead of just free tips, offer a 7-day meal plan for busy professionals. They're specific and that's what converts. Next, provide real value. A lead magnet should solve a problem or offer a quick win. Generic just doesn't cut it anymore. And here's a big one, keep it simple. A one-page checklist, a quick start guide, even a short video, these are gold if they are helpful and easy to use. Make it look good too. Use Canva or any design tool. You'll have to create something that's clean, sharp and on board. If it looks pro, people trust it more. Now back in Wix, add a form to collect emails. Lightbox works great. It gives attention without interrupting the experience. Write a clear, punchy call to action like get your free guide today. Be direct, be bold. Hey, don't overthink it. It probably already have content that can be repackaged into a lead magnet box. Webinars, even that checklist you made last year. Just identify a common problem, offer a quick solution, and make it downloadable. Boom, lead magnet. So remember, know your audience, give real value, keep it simple, make it pretty, and add a strong city. You have got this.